Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The padding property controls the amount of space inside the border and between the content of your HTML element. The padding element is affected by the background color inside your element and will appear as the same color. The values for the padding element can be expressed in two ways: by a percentage amount, or using pixels, points, centimeters, millimeters, inches, picas, x height, or m. Just like the margin property, the padding property can also control the individual sides of an element using padding-top, padding-right, padding-bottom, or padding-left. You can also use the padding property to affect all sides equally. If you decide to use the individual control properties, you must assign a value to each property, or any unassigned side will be set the default value of 0 pixels. Our on-screen example shows styling for paragraph with a class of 1, the margin set at 10 pixels, padding top set at 10 pixels, padding right set at 2 pixels, padding bottom at 10 pixels, and padding left set at 2 pixels. Again with a border of 5 pixels in a solid blue and a background color of light gray, which will display our paragraph with 10 pixels on the top and bottom between the content and the border, and 2 pixels on the left and right hand side.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.